Have you ever wondered if you're actually getting the best rates for your swaps? Or maybe you've been stuck waiting for hours, sometimes even days waiting for your cross-chain swaps to go through? Well, say goodbye to all these problems thanks to RocketX, which makes it incredibly simple to compare the rates between 500 plus leading exchanges to get you the best rate for every swap. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour through RocketX DEX, okay? However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Let's dive in, guys. So to explore the RocketX DEX, just head to your browser and type in app.rocketx.exchange and click go. It's loading. So you'll have an interface like this once you launch the website, okay? Then once you launch it, the next step is to connect wallet by clicking on this connect wallet option at the top right of your screen. So don't fret in case you could see different wallets. Don't fret in case you don't find your own wallet. You could, just click try walletless and you can swap without connecting your wallet. That's one spectacular thing about this, okay? So once you're done connecting your wallet, head back, then type in your source networks right here in the network tab. On the network, let's see, you type in your network, let's see it's Ethereum. Type it in, just click it right here. Once you type it in, the next step is for you to type in the coin's name or the contract address you're swapping to. So let's say you're swapping to USDC, you just click USDC, okay? And below right here, you could choose whether you want to go for the best trades. Right here, you could see best code and fastest code. So you could choose whether you want to go for the best code or the fastest code, okay? If you want to go full pro mode, you could click the settings option right here and adjust the slippage tolerance to ensure the platform works just the way you like it, okay? Don't worry in case, you're just starting your DeFi journey, you can let it be on default and it will work just fine. So once you're here, you close. So once you've chosen the code of your choice, just click on swap below. Assuming we've connected our wallet, okay, you just click on swap and approve your transaction. You can always go to history, which is right here at the bottom of your screen, to check your previous transactions. And in case you've got issues, you could raise a ticket right here. You just click on this help feature and raise a ticket in case of any issue. And that's it on how to navigate RocketX DEX, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next video.